All right, yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And yes, I was inspired by this trending hairstyle, and I'm going to be showing it to you right here so that you can look at it. And guess what? I had to look for the hair extension that I could use, and I decided to use the Havana Cows from Darling, Uganda. So let's see how it looks like. Yes, this is how Havana Cows looks like, and of course, it looks like this. When you look at it, this is how it looks. And I had to use two pieces. I had to use two pieces to have this hairstyle. And this is how it looks. This is how it looks. I had removed some. But this is how it looks. So when we are going to do it, of course, since this one we are just twisting, we have to first oil it. We have to first oil it with our any the hair food, any hair food that you have. We oil it, and let me try to show you how we can do it. So you get like some Vaseline, and then you just apply it here like this. So when you apply it like this, okay, make sure that you use not little. So after you just remove it this way. And again, when you're going to do this hair, you just have to make sure that the extension that you're holding should be equivalent to the hair that you're going to be parting, of course. So if I choose this, that means also my partitions are going to be very, very small. And here I mean the boxes that have to look small. So this is how we separate it and we do the twisting. So let's get our tutorial of today so that you can look at how we managed to achieve this trending hairstyle.
Yeah, it's Maurice the Hairstyles, the crochet master.
All right, yes, of course, we had to start with the middle of it because now the style takes long. So I had to show you the exact point that we wanted to see. And if you try to look at her, she's trying to twist, make the other a knot so that she can braid it. But when you look at this is natural hair, and I wouldn't say that those with straight lax hair cannot do this hair. Still, you can also do this. Okay, the only problem is like sometimes we might find the hair is very long, okay, and when our extension is very, very short. How are we going to do about it? Because at the end of it all, we need to have these two colors separated, the blackish and this down. We'll need to see it separated. So what we're going to do, I think for that video, I'll have to come back showing you how we can do this kind of hair. But even this one is long, still it can do this better style that you're seeing right now. So for now, I'm gonna be showing you this so that we learn, and after, if you have any question, I would like you to give it right in the comment section. And please, you can rate the style from 1 to 10 right in the comment section. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and of course, thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you all.
Crochet master. Little loving, oyagala kola ka video shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Domukono mukugo kumanyije kukola. Kitakiwa crochet master, yakugu kamo viri kati master. Makeup uono genius, akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, you are crochet master. Come on. Jangu. Maurice. Number one, you know. A big thing this. Yeah. Bano beba number one. Boli chimu bachikola from the art. Obukuku pull up. The moli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, him a run them. Ujembi bakuwa, balinga high grade ikweba soma. All of them are styles, them a do for you. Them a make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by creepers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Dolina chongaba. Hair by clippers fire. Yeah. Oh na na. Dolina, Dolina chongaba. 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 Dolina. Dolina chongamba, Dolina, yeah, 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 yeah. A number one crochet master, Morris. Don't around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oh, you get the one boy I can. Morris, the crochet master, didn't make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh na 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 na. Nobody do it like Morris, the crochet master. Crochet master, he got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris, yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master, Morris, you crochet master, Morris, you crochet master, crochet master, no, 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 touch of a crochet master, it's so good, yeah, yeah. For the ones that make us smile every day, pour their hearts in all they do every minute. Work so hard for us to be so bold, stand tall. We appreciate you, we love you, we say thank you, yeah, we say we are here for you. We are here for you. All our lives we've been waiting for this moment. We need like expected. We're here for you. We We are